Alright guys, Paul here coming with another video. This is my 100th upload, so I thought I'd do something a bit different. I've got my drone up in the air, I've got my carboncub S, and I've got a video camera on board it there just now. So I've only flew this a couple of times, but hopefully this will go well. What I'm planning to do is kind of get some aerial onboard shots, some drone shots and some for the ground. So hopefully this works out, and thanks for watching guys. Here we go, we're up in the air. I think that camera weight's actually a lot more than I thought, so I'm not going to go too high. Pretty scary. Every time I take this plane out I'm absolutely terrified, but I'm hoping if this works out how I think it's going to, this could be a really good video. Look at that, it's just beautiful. Because I've got the camera on as well, I don't want to drop it. I'm not going to try any crazy rolls or flips or anything, just nice steady circles. But yeah, like I say, as I'm on about my 100th video before, what I'd like to just do is thank every single person who subscribed and watched. And see, I just do this purely because I enjoy doing it, and it's just nice to see that people are kind of interested in watching what I'm doing. So thanks again to everybody. Look at that plane, whoa. I mean, it's kind of a similar feeling, if not more stressful, flying this and doing like 100-mile-an-hour speed runs on the cars. It's just, it's not about being in the air, you just feel like you've got no control. Although you've got control, but you just feel like the slightest mistake and absolute disaster. But try and come down a bit lower. Hoping this camera on the plane wings works out well. I'll probably land her soon. So just a quick video, because with the weight of this battery, and I think you only get a 7-minute flight time or something with the plane anyway off the one battery, so I don't want to go too long. Try to watch my drone in the background as well. That's in auto hover mode just now, but it's just one of the things. You just, so much going on when you try to do this yourself. Really do a hand at times, I think. Try to get too ambitious with what I'm doing. Right past the drone there. Try and take some airspeed down. Oh. Ah, not too bad at landing. I think the battery was kind of dying a bit there, so I could feel it running out of power there. I couldn't lift it up, but we're on the wheels, so we'll go over and see that in a minute. I'll just bring this drone down because I say everything was getting a bit stressful there. So I'll just cut this camera off and I'll put it back on when I'm over at the plane. Alright guys, that's me sort of walk over there. Obviously I was running out of battery, so I was just trying to land it quick there. Not a graceful landing, as you can see. Where is that? Yeah, I think there's a little sort of slight impact here, nothing major. It kind of landed on its wheels, though. If I was scaled down to the size of the plane, I probably wouldn't have wanted to have been in it. But yeah, the plane's all in one piece. A little bit of grass on the propeller, but nothing, no damage whatsoever. It was just a not graceful landing. It landed on the wheels, no tips, no problems. So yeah, it's all in one piece. That's a good thing. But it took me a couple of minutes there because I had my other GoPro on top, let's say taped on with a sort of Velcro strap stuff, which pinged off when I landed. But I was getting a bit panicky there. It took probably about a minute, 2 minutes to find it, but the camera was actually way over here, so it's obviously went cartwheeling down. But I've got it back now, so we'll get home. I'll try and edit this up together. I'm hoping it's going to turn out pretty well for you want what it looked like for the ground there, I think I might have some nice footage to put up. But yeah, the carboncub S, a great plane. Really, if you want to get into planes, it's not expensive. It's got stability management. You can, and if you're a lot better than I am with planes, you can turn all that stuff off and do loops, backflips, whatever. But I wouldn't be doing that with a camera on, because I think even that little bit of weight of the GoPro was just a bit too much for the plane to carry. But yeah, it's been going great. So I've got another RC coming, well, coming tomorrow morning in the post. I've already bought it, so I've got that to come up on the channel soon as well. So that'll be my next video. But if you haven't liked and subscribed already, please do that. And I'll see you in the next one. I'm just going to put this all away now. Feeling a bit stressed out. That was a lot going on at the one time, trying to do that video, having the drone up, the plane up, worrying about my GoPro on the plane, worrying about filming for the ground. I don't think I'll do that myself again. I think next time I do a video like that, I'm definitely going to get some help to come along with me, because that was just something I don't want to do regular. But thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll be back again soon, like I say, with the new vehicle on the channel. Bye.